Today, I want to focus on Adobe Express again. Again, this video is not sponsored, but if you do want to check out Adobe Express, there's a link in the description below. Feel free to check that out. But today we're going to focus on quick actions, okay? Quick actions are, just like it says here, quick actions. These are some of the popular ones right now. Remove background, resize image, convert to GIF. I know some people say GIF, I say GIF. Convert to MP4, so on and so forth. We're going to click view all so we can see these, okay? Because there are a lot of interesting things here. I'm going to run down some of them real quickly, and then we're going to test out a few. So resizing image, pretty straightforward. Remove background. Actually, I am interested to try this out myself, so definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video. Later on we will test out, see how well it does removing background. Convert to JPEG, convert to PNG, crop image, convert to SVG, and then the video thing. So you can trim your video, resize your video, merge video. So basically don't have a video editing software, that's just fine. Or real quick, you're just going to merge two videos together, that's just fine. Convert to GIF. That's interesting because converting MP4s to GIFs might be good if you're like making memes and stuff. Pretty good. Crop video, change video speed, convert to MP4, and reverse video, okay? Here you modify files such as convert to PDF, convert from PDF, edit text and images, organize pages, combine files. So, you know, basically it can help you do whatever you need to, like make an ebook or something if you need. And then the generate QR code. Let's go ahead, click on this, okay? Say we typed in our YouTube channel, for example, hit create QR code, and in reality that should be a QR code to our YouTube channel. We can change the QR code style. We can download if we want it to download. We can change the color, etc. Do as we need with it. But as promised, let's check out the remove background feature. Okay, so we are going to find an image on our computer. Okay, we found an image and it's trying to remove the background. Oh my, wait, did it actually just properly remove the background? We can customize it further as we see fit. That's actually pretty cool. But that might have been an easier image. Let's give it another challenge. The next challenge, I think we're going to give it this image you're seeing on screen right now. We are going to see how it handled this. Yeah, I like the idea of this. So we are going to see. Okay, let's have it remove the background. I'm wondering, I'm curious what it's going to remove. Okay, so it actually did as it was supposed to. It did a pretty good job in general. Yeah, overall, it did a pretty good job. And then, we could just download or we could customize it further. And yeah, overall, I am very impressed with this. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, because this is interesting. This is interesting. But yeah, with that said, I am actually going to end the video. I think we went over just about everything. Let me know what you guys think of this. Does it make you want to try Adobe Express, or are you just not a fan of Adobe stuff in general? Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.